Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly manifest their dreams, while others struggle despite their best efforts? The truth is, the universe is always listening, always responding, but not to your words. It listens to your energy, your focus, and the emotions you carry every moment. Your reality isn't something that happens to you. It's something you co-create. Every thought you empower, every feeling you amplify, is a conversation with the universe. So, the question is, what are you telling it? The universe is constantly responding to your energy, and the language it understands isn't words or intentions. It's your focus. Your attention is like a cosmic highlighter, drawing emphasis to what you want the universe to notice. Wherever you place that attention, whether on joy or stress, on abundance or lack, you amplify it, sending out a signal that says, "Bring me more of this." But here's the catch. Most of us do this unconsciously. We give away our attention to worries, frustrations, or fears, feeding energy into things we don't actually want. And the universe? It simply mirrors back what you focused on, no questions asked. What's incredible, though, is that you hold the power to shift this dynamic. When you consciously choose where to direct your focus, you take control of what grows in your life. The key is to treat your attention like a precious resource, spending it only on what aligns with the reality you want to create. Imagine this. Every thought you dwell on is like a seed. If you water the seeds of fear or doubt, they'll sprout and grow into larger obstacles. But if you nurture thoughts of gratitude, confidence, and hope, they'll blossom into opportunities, joy, and fulfillment. The choice is always yours. By becoming deliberate with your focus, you're not just reacting to life, you're actively shaping it. The universe listens intently to where you channel your energy, and it amplifies whatever you emphasize. So, ask yourself, what are you focusing on right now? Is it helping you create the life you desire, or holding you back? The universe has no concept of past or future. It only operates in the present. Every moment you live is a blank canvas, and your thoughts and emotions are the brushstrokes shaping it. This is why it's vital to align your energy with the present moment, feeling as though your desires are already a part of your reality. Here's where many people go wrong. They think in terms of someday. Statements like, "I will be successful," or "I will be happy," unintentionally tell the universe, "I don't have it now." And because the universe reflects your current state of being, it reinforces that lack. Instead, speak and think in the present tense, as if what you desire is already yours. For example, say, "I am confident," "I am abundant," or "I am loved." Pair those words with genuine emotion. Imagine the relief, joy, and excitement of already having what you want. When you do this, you shift your vibrational frequency to align with your desires, and the universe begins to rearrange your reality to match it. This isn't about pretending or lying to yourself. It's about tapping into the limitless potential that already exists. Every version of reality, including the one you dream of, is out there waiting for you to step into it. But to do that, you must embody it emotionally and energetically right now. Think of it this way. The universe is like a radio, and your thoughts and feelings are the tuner. If you're vibrating at the frequency of doubt or impatience, you can't connect with the station playing abundance or joy. But when you shift your energy to resonate with what you want, the connection becomes effortless. So don't just wish for your dreams. Live as though they're already real. By anchoring yourself in the present and aligning your feelings with your goals, you invite the universe to make them your reality. Life is much more than the surface-level events and circumstances we see every day. It's like a vast, intricate game, and your success depends on how well you understand its rules. Many of these rules aren't written in plain sight. They're revealed only when you expand your awareness. Think of awareness as a flashlight in a dark room. The more you illuminate, the more you see. With expanded awareness, you begin to notice patterns in your thoughts, your actions, and the energy you put out into the world. You start to understand how even subtle reactions, things you may not have paid attention to before, can shape the outcomes in your life. For example, when challenges arise, many people react instinctively, giving energy to frustration or fear. But with expanded awareness, you can pause, observe, and consciously choose your response. You gain the ability to step back, see the bigger picture, and align your choices with what you truly desire. Expanding your awareness is like upgrading your skill level in a game. In poker, a beginner may only focus on their own cards, while a master observes the entire table, anticipating moves and understanding deeper strategies. Similarly, as you grow more aware, you begin to recognize the interconnectedness of everything: your thoughts, your emotions, your interactions, and the energy of the world around you. This awareness helps you navigate life with greater ease and mastery. You're no longer a passive participant in the universe's flow. Instead, you become an active co-creator, skillfully aligning with the experiences and outcomes you want. The journey to expanding your awareness starts by tuning into yourself. Notice the emotions that arise, the thought patterns you repeat, and how they influence your energy. The more you uncover, the more empowered you'll feel to shape your reality consciously, like a player who's finally learned how to win the game. The universe doesn't communicate with you through spoken words or written messages. Its language is far more intuitive. It speaks through your feelings, your intuition, and the resonance you experience in your life. This inner guidance system is your compass, always pointing you toward your true path. Think of a time when something just felt right. That's your inner guidance aligning you with opportunities and experiences that resonate with your higher self. On the flip side, when something feels heavy, unsettling, or wrong, that's a signal that you're moving away from your authentic path. Your feelings are the universe's way of nudging you. Pay attention. This process of listening isn't about overthinking or rationalizing. It's about trusting. Too often, we let the egoic mind drown out our inner guidance with fears, doubts, and endless analysis. The ego might tell you, "This makes sense," even when your gut says otherwise. But true alignment isn't found in logic, it's found in resonance. Here's the secret. When something resonates with your soul, it feels light, effortless, and exciting. That's your signal to move forward. Conversely, when something feels like a struggle or weighs you down, it's often a sign to let go. By trusting these feelings, you align yourself with the flow of the universe. Think of your inner guidance as breadcrumbs leading you along the path of least resistance. When you follow what feels good and let go of what doesn't, you remove the need for overcomplication. Life becomes simpler, more intuitive, and far more fulfilling. But remember, this isn't about chasing fleeting pleasures or surface-level gratification. It's about tuning into the deeper feelings of joy, peace, and connection. When you learn to trust these signals, you're no longer pushing against the current. Instead, you're moving in harmony with the energy of the universe, allowing it to guide you effortlessly toward your desires. Your subconscious mind is the powerhouse behind most of what you attract in life. It operates silently in the background, shaping your beliefs, habits, and reactions. The universe mirrors your subconscious patterns more than your fleeting conscious thoughts. That's why reprogramming your subconscious is key to aligning with the reality you want. Unlike your conscious mind, which can analyze, reject, or debate ideas, your subconscious simply absorbs. It believes what you repeatedly tell it, especially when those messages are charged with strong emotion. This is where the power of repetition comes in. Every time you affirm a thought or belief, it leaves a subtle imprint on your subconscious. Repeating it often enough strengthens that imprint, like carving a groove deeper and deeper into the surface of your mind. Over time, these repeated thoughts become automatic beliefs, shaping how you interact with the world and what the universe reflects back to you. For example, if you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," your subconscious accepts it as fact and projects that energy into the universe. But if you start affirming, "I am confident, capable, and deserving," and repeat it consistently, your subconscious begins to internalize that message. As your inner belief shifts, so does the reality around you. Here's the catch. It's not enough to just say the words. You have to feel them. Emotion is the fuel that powers this process. When you repeat affirmations with genuine emotion, confidence, joy, or excitement, you're rewiring your subconscious on a deeper level. Let's say you want to attract abundance. Instead of saying, "I hope to be abundant one day," affirm, "I am abundant right now." Imagine how it feels to have everything you desire. See it, feel it, live it in your mind. The more you do this, the more your subconscious aligns with that energy, and the universe responds accordingly. Repetition is how you take control of the narrative running in your subconscious. With patience and consistency, you can rewrite limiting beliefs, replace negativity with positivity, and align your inner state with the reality you want to create. Remember, the more you reinforce a thought, the stronger it becomes. So choose your thoughts wisely, repeat them often, and watch as your subconscious and the universe transform in response. Here's the ultimate truth. You and the universe are not separate. The energy you project is the same energy the universe reflects back to you. In essence, when you communicate with the universe, you're really communicating with your higher self, the part of you that knows your limitless potential. You hold the reins of your reality. Your thoughts, your feelings, and most importantly, your focus shape the experiences that unfold in your life. By becoming aware of this connection, you gain the power to create consciously. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to fleeting wishes or empty words. It mirrors your deepest beliefs, your most consistent feelings, and the energy you radiate in every moment. To align with the life you want, focus on positivity, embrace the present, trust your inner guidance, and reprogram your subconscious to believe in the reality you seek. You are the artist of your own existence, and your life is the canvas. The universe is your collaborator, ready to bring your vision to life. So, take charge of your energy, choose your focus wisely, and trust the process. The universe is always listening. Make sure it hears what you truly desire.